Okay, everyone, we continue with the assignment 1B. So we use the same method in completing assignment B, but this from the previous assignment 1A, I will close first. Okay, so here I just create a new one, yeah, new notebook in the drive. Okay, after that, what is the recommended name? No, nothing. Yeah, okay, so just 1B. Okay, previously was this one. I think still the same, the name, yeah, just change to 1B. This time we're going to improve the calculator to use the function. Okay, yeah. The context, you are junior Python developer working on a project to develop the set of utility functions for software toolkit. Your team lead has assigned you some initial tasks to practice with writing Python functions to perform the common operations. These tasks will help you gain the familiarity with the Python functions and their uses in the different scenario. Okay, yeah. So let's start with the task one. Yeah. So add the text. Yeah. Okay. This one you move it down. Yeah. Then yeah. So text first. Okay. So the first is to this. Yeah. Write the Python function named double number that takes the number as input and returns the double of the number. Okay, so here you go. Yeah, don't forget to put the line break in the line. Write the Python function down. Okay, this is single line. Okay, good. Yeah. Yep. So how to create the function in the Python def? Yeah, the name of the function is the double number. This one. And then takes the number as input. Yeah. So number. Okay, you just shorten the variable name as a num. After that, you're going to print the double of the number, which is equivalent to the num multiplied by 2, and then return. Return the double of the number. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this double should be like this. Yeah. Actually, you can put like this. Write the Python function name double number. The text number is input and return the double of the number. Yeah. Okay. So you put the double num like this. Yeah. As this. Okay. Then you this. Okay. Then return the double num. Okay, yeah. So this is the function. We how to call, yeah. Then you can write the program. For example, num equal to the input. Enter a number. Okay. After that, the double number. Calling the function. That is, yeah. Okay. So run. Okay. Enter number 7. Yeah. Okay. Double. Yeah. Oh, okay. because we forgot to convert this into the when user input, yeah, this one, yeah, you have to change to the integer, yeah. Okay, otherwise then it become the string. Okay, run. Okay, 7 become 49. Oh, sorry, times 2 is 14, not 49. So 7 times 2 double, yeah, is 14. So this correct, yeah. Okay, task 2, count the characters. Okay, yeah. Create a Python function, name a count characters that takes a string as input and returns the number of characters in the string. In length built-in function will return the length of the characters. Okay. Yep. So let's do it. So create a function, def. The function name is count characters. Okay, and then after that, input parameter string. Okay, don't forget to put the colon. Then print. The number of characters is using the function the length. Yeah. Okay, then return the number of character. Yeah, so return length of the string. Okay, after that, write the program to test this string equal to the input. Enter a word. After that, call the function count character string. Okay, run. Life is beautiful. Yeah. Okay, 16 character. Okay, then let's continue with the task number 3. There are 7 tasks. Yeah. Check for the evenness. So you want to check whether a number is a odd or even number. Okay, write the code. Def, the function name is even. Okay, then after that, the parameter is a num. Return. Whenever the number is even, so when you modulus 2, the remainder is 0. And when you modulus the number with 2, if it is odd, the return is 1. Okay, yeah, so return 0 or 1. 0 or 1, yeah. 0 is false, and then the even, and then return 1 is meaning true, which is yeah. So if it is even, then it will return the 0. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's try. We create a function to call this num integer input. Yeah, we convert the input to the integer. Enter an integer number. then call, yeah, is even, passing the num. Okay, run. Integer number 17, yeah. Pause, yeah. Okay. 20. True, yeah. Okay. Yep. So this is the task number 3. Task number 4. Find the smaller number. Implement the Python function name a find smaller number that takes two number as input and returns the smaller number. Okay, so let's do it. Number 4. Yeah, def find smaller number. This one. The function code is a def. After that, passing the num1, comma num2. Don't forget the colon. If num1 less than num2, okay, colon, then print the smaller number is the num1. Okay, then else print the smaller number is a s2. Okay, then now we're going to create the code to call the function to test. Yeah. Num1, you ask the user to input. Enter an integer. Okay, then the same thing with the num2. Second, yep. So after we get the 2, then we call the function find smaller number, passing the num1 and num2. Okay, yeah, so this is the task number 4. Enter 13, then 17. Okay, the smaller number is 1. If you test the other way, 11 and then 20. Yeah, okay, good. So now we continue with the task 5. Calculate sum of the list. Develop the Python function called calculate sum that takes a list of the numbers as input and returns the sum of the numbers. The function should take the list data type as argument, not multiple integers. Okay. Yeah, so you need to pass the list, yeah. Okay, let's write the code. plus 5. Okay. Def, calculate sum. Followed by the numbers. Yes. And then return the sum of the numbers. Okay. Then user input equal to the enter a list of numbers separated by spaces. Numbers equivalent to list the map integer user input split by space. Yeah. Okay. This is a code to format the input. Then calculate sum of the numbers. Okay, then after that print again. Yeah, so calculate the sum numbers. After that print. Okay, let's try. Numbers equal to the list map list user input split. Okay, one moment. Yeah, the error is enter the list of the numbers separated by spaces. Okay, calculate the sum numbers. Numbers equal to the list map integer user input split. Okay, invalid literal for integer with the base 10. Invalid literal with the base 10. Okay, let's see. Yeah, def calculate the sum and then numbers parameter. Return sum numbers. User input enter a list of numbers separated by spaces, correct. And then numbers equal to the converting from the map of the integer user input the split and then calculate. Yeah, okay, let's see here. Explain the error. Okay, I miss the keyword input here. Yeah, so there should be input here. Okay, this should be okay now. For example, list 2, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6, 9, like this. Okay, 98. Okay, this should be okay. 98 plus 2 is 100, then 27. Okay, good. So this is correct. Now we continue with number 6, almost done. Extract the prime number. Yeah, extract the prime numbers. Okay, this is the line break. Okay, so write the Python number that extract write Python function that the name is a prime numbers in a list that takes a list of numbers as input and return the new list containing only the prime numbers. Yeah. Okay, so we create the function def prime numbers in list. This is function name. Okay, then we will check one by one. The second one is a def is prime nested function. We use nested function. If n less than 2, because the prime number started with a 2, return false. Okay, and then after that the for I in a range 2 comma integer n 0.5 then plus 1. Okay, if n modulus 1 equal to 0, return false. Okay, then type the testing code. Prime list equal to the num for num in numbers if prime is num. Okay, this one. Okay, typo is prime. That's correct. Print prime list. Okay, if n modulus 1 0, okay, equals sign double, yeah. If n modulus 1 equals double, oh, okay, I forgot the column. Then testing code, the prime list is a bracket num for num in numbers if is prime num. Okay, so tap the code to give the user input. Yeah, user input. Okay, then after that numbers. Then prime numbers in list numbers. Okay. Yeah. So we have a testing code. Yeah. Prime list equal to the num for num in numbers if is prime num. Okay, the error is prime not defined. Okay, here we go. Def is prime, and then after that the if n less than 2 return false, or I in a range 2 integer n power 0.5 plus 1, if n return false, return true. Okay, is prime here. Okay, so I am using the Gemini to help fixing the problem. The problem is the is prime is not known, yeah, because this is defined inside the another function. So in that case, we're going to modify slightly the functions, yeah, to separate this, yeah. So according to this, we need to define the is prime separately outside. Okay, like this, yeah. So change alignment. Okay. Then after that, the prime number is in a list. So you put this prime list num for each one, then return prime list. Yeah, okay. So not print, but return. Okay, get user input equal to the input numbers list prime number. Okay, call the function. Reset prime list equal to the calling the function. Prime list, prime numbers in the list numbers, and then print the result. Okay, let's try. Okay, so 2357, yeah, for example, 2 Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the list, the enter the list. Yeah. Okay, the prime number in the list are the 2, 3. Okay, so actually not totally correct. Yeah. 7 is 7 should be included. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, find the error here. Actually, this one is should be I and not 1. So this one should be I. Okay, so run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we should get the 2, 3, 5, and 7. Yeah, correct. Yeah, okay. So this is a solution for the task 6. Okay, then we continue with the last one. Task 7, factorial calculation. Create a Python function named calculate factorial that takes a number as an input and returns the factorial of that number. Okay. So, yep. This is the instruction. And how to solve the problem? We create a factorial. Yeah. So, add the code. Def calculate factorial. N. Yeah. After that, the colon. If n equal with the 0 or n equal to 1, then nothing to do, yeah, because just written 1. Factorial 0 or factorial 1 is 1. And then factorial, you assign the value equal to 1. For I in range of the starting number 2 and then until n plus 1, colon, yeah, mas colon. Factorial equal to I. Itself multiplied by I. Then return. Okay. Then testing. N equal to the input excuse me, enter an integer, and this must be converted to the integer. Okay, then calculate factorial. Okay, so this is the code. Testing 5. Yeah, 5 meaning 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Yeah, 120. 2 times 3 6. 6 times 4 uh, 24 times 5 is 120. Correct. Yeah. Okay, run one more time. 7. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the solution for the assignment 1B calculator assignment. So file, after that save, and then download the PYNB, and then download the PY. Okay, so I have already get this in the Teams. Okay, Where is my Teams? One moment. Yep, here you go. So I'm going to drag the file, change to sample, refresh 1b, yeah, sample. Okay, so put the here, poof. Okay, so yes, we already have the sample, yeah, 1A, 1B. Yep, okay, good. Both in the PY, in a PYNB. What you need to upload is the PYNB. Here you go. Okay, sorry. Upload. Okay, so go to the just now download, yeah, assignment 1B, the IPYNB. This one. Yep, submit. Okay, so that's the how to solve the assignment 1B.